Hi, my name is Andrew Seltzer. I'm an applications engineer here at Methods Machine Tool in Milton, just outside of Chicago. Today I'm going to talk to you about machining modes on the Fanuc RoboDrill. Looking at the different modes on the machine, we'll see HP for high precision, HQ for high surface smoothing, N will be your standard mode, SP will be the difference between HP and S, SQ will be between HQ and S will be high speed, low accuracy. Now that we understand the differences, let's show you the two ways to implement these into your program. If you're doing simple one-tool operations, you can individually select the current machining mode by going into Quick NC, Machine Operation, Change, and then pressing Select. If you're running many tools that vary from your roughing to your finishing, you can also change in process throughout your program. Here's the format to use in your program. M31, L variable. Your L variable will specify which machining mode to use. P variable, P will set your power saving mode to on or off. And R will set your rigid tapping settings, either to low heat, standard, or high speed. It's obvious to see that programming in the mode may offer additional benefits. One other thing to note, your programming tolerance may play a factor as well, so please be mindful of any part oversmoothing or inaccuracy that should be verified in your program as well. If you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or any of us at Methods Machine Tool. I hope this has been helpful. If you like this video or have suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.